Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use, you can choose to create from template, there's some global templates, and then there's also templates that are saved by use. If you find a pattern that you like, you can go ahead and save this template and it'll show up here. You can reuse that list. Yeah, that's it. These list types are just some examples, leads or companies. They have fields defined already. If you choose a custom list, you'll have to create that you want for that list. Okay, so let's go into this list that I already have defined. And it looks like we already have a lot of data filled in. So let's go ahead and delete these and then I'll show you the full process. When you start, you'll want to import leads either from CSV or from webhook. Webhooks can be used to do in real time. You can import via your website or WordPress, something like that. You can also set up your CRM to trigger a hook whenever a new lead comes in. As soon as I import, the bot is going to work enriching the leads. Add to sequence has not been set up yet for this list. Run conditions are not going to be met. When you use that template, you're going to have to make sure that you have a sequence set up for the company and then you select it here. You can also add some conditions here. First name is not empty, last name is not empty. Some required fields that, especially you'll want to add email is not empty. So that you can see the sequence. It's filled in all of our fields. So this is a really nice feature. It goes out on the internet, searches, finds any of the fields that you have defined here, and it will try to fill them in based on information online. Another thing you can do here from the smart list is add rows. So if you want to go here and you see all your table actions, you can do like HTTP requests to kick off some automation on a different system. You can add them to a sequence. You can add them to another list. So if some parameters have been met, you can do some type of checks to make sure they're qualified lead. You can add them to the qualified leads list, and this will be all the leads that have met. So that's really nice for sorting your leads. You can put them into different lists to keep them all automated in some way. AI text, AI image, and AI audio. These can be used to generate email responses or some type of audio based. Let's go ahead and open this web scraper. This is what we use for our enrichment, and there's two types. There's update rows and then there's add rows. So add rows will go out on the internet, try to find some data to create brand new rows for you. So this can be used to, say, find 20 companies in your city that match these criteria, and then add that to the list. And then you can have another research agent doing research on each one of those companies or those leads. So different types of web scrapers. One's used to add new information to the list, and the other one is used to enrich the list. Alright. Just as an example, add this image. We'll do Leonardo. / this is always variable. You can do that and it will have either the full record, or you can choose individual fields here and then create the prompt. We'll create this and then force run for all of our rows. We just create images based on the information we gave them.